Hi, my friends. Fake Amazon reviews being sold in bulk online. Fake reviews for products sold on Amazon's marketplace are being sold online in bulk, according to which the consumer group found 10 websites selling fake reviews from €5 each and incentivizing positive reviews in exchange for payment or free products. It suggested the firm was facing an uphill struggle against a widespread fake reviews industry. An Amazon spokesman said, "We remove fake reviews and take action against anyone involved in abuse." The retail giant's marketplace allows other retailers to sell their goods via the Amazon website, which identified websites offering review services for goods for sale on Amazon marketplace that violated the firm's terms and conditions. Loyalty schemes. This included packaged fake reviews available for sellers to buy for about €15 individually, as well as bulk packages starting at €620 for 50 reviews and going up to €8,000 for 1,000. The group also suggested that 5 of the businesses it looked at had more than 7,02,000 product reviews on their books. Product reviewers are offered small payments ranging from a few pounds up to more than €10, alongside free or discounted products. They can even take part in loyalty schemes and earn themselves premium goods from children's toys to exercise equipments. The website which reviewed also offered advice on how to write reviews so as not to around Amazon's suspension, and in some cases had criteria for reviewers to meet to equality for rewards. It said they included living reviews that were at least 2 sentences long or including photos for examples. How to spot fake online reviews. Be skeptical. This is probably your best weapon, especially if there are an unusually high number of reviews of one product compared with other in that category. Read and read again. Look for the same language used in multiple reviews. Brands you don't know. If you don't recognize in the brand, check to see if it has its own legitimate looking website with clear contact details. Be wary of products with lots of pictures or videos. Seller can incentivize fake reviewers to encourage people to add photos and videos. Natalie Hitchens, head of home products and services at Which, called on the Competition and Market Authority (CMA) to look into the sales of fake reviews urgently. The regulator must check down on bad actors and hold sites to account if they fail to keep their users safe, she said. If it is unable to do so, the government must urgently strengthen online consumer protections. A previous investigations by consumer group found dozens of Facebook groups with sellers offering refunds or commissions in exchange for fake favorable reviews. It led to Facebook and eBay signing agreements with the CMA to better identify, investigate and respond to fake and misleading reviews. Thanks for watching, friends. Please subscribe my channel and share this news with your friends.